Hi, I'm Emma Burrows, the Managing Director for CIO Connect in Asia Pacific. Today, I'm absolutely delighted to be interviewing Jojo Guingao, who's a Chief Digital Officer at the Aboitiz Group. We're going to be discussing digital transformation, and it's about one thing, improving the customer experience. Hi, Jojo.
Hi, Emma, and thank you for inviting me.
Jojo, please can you provide us with an insight to who the Aboitiz Group are and what the main focus of your role is as Chief Digital Officer?
Thank you, Emma. The Aboitiz Group is one of the oldest and largest conglomerates in the Philippines, with investments in power generations and distributions, banking, food, and infrastructure. We have over 30,000 employees operating not only in the Philippines, but in ASEAN countries as well as China. As you can imagine, we are a very diverse organization with very diverse needs and challenges. As the Chief Digital Officer of the group, my role is to provide group-wide digital leadership and vision to future-proof the business. I also spend a lot of time as the digital evangelist who will educate and influence everyone of all things digital. I help our business unit align their challenges with their digital ambition. We spend a lot of time educating our executives and employees to build a digital mindset and innovative culture. It's an interesting role where you need to have both business and technical aptitude. You need to have an ability to explain how digital tools such as the cloud, analytics, and artificial intelligence can transform your business and provide better value for your customers and stakeholders.
Considering Aboitiz is a family-run business operating now for over 100 years, how have you brought the organization along the journey to commit to achieving your company goals and committed to proving outstanding customer experience?
That's a great question, Emma. We spent a lot of time understanding our business challenges and priorities, working hand in hand with our business leaders. We educated our executives and created a digital transformation framework to help them align their business objective with their digital ambition. While every business unit will have different needs, they are all aligned into our four pillars of transformation. First, it's all about transforming our business into an intelligent operation. Second is all about creating an agile workplace. Third is reinventing our business models. And fourth is advancing our customer experience. Core to having our organization committed to our goals is our investment in creating a digital mindset and culture. For us, digital mindset is all about understanding the possibility on how digital technology can address business problems. We also think that the culture we develop is not just a secret sauce to our transformation, it is our driving force. This requires us to reevaluate how we work with customers. In fact, we created this digital DNA class where we make it mandatory for our employees to learn design thinking principles that will help us to change our mindset to be more customer centric by designing products, services, and internal processes to provide a better customer experience.
How are you continually managing the customer journey for the internal and external customer?
Unfortunately, the COVID-19 situation forces us to evolve our digital ambition, further accelerating our transition to the new world. COVID-19 affects everyone, creating a shift in consumer habits and behaviors to digital. We narrowed down our digital transformation focus on three areas. First is all about enhancing our remote working experience with a full digital experience. Second is all about bringing data science as a core to our business operations. Third is do more with a full digital customer experience. We are putting a higher priority in helping our companies bring business online and offering digitally enabled products and services. Using our digital thinking framework, we use customer journey maps to help identify business processes that can be shifted online. A great example is our transformation project with our real estate group. As you know, this is an industry that is still very traditional when selling properties, from open houses to site visits and so on. But we were able to create a new digital experience. It is now called contactless home buying that allows them to continue to do business during COVID-19 and generate revenue. Face-to-face meeting was replaced with chatbots to virtual tours and electronic signature.
How are you taking care of your data? And are you having to take a fresh look at this due to the pandemic?
There are two aspects to our view on data. First is we continue to protect them diligently as we now consider data as our assets. The focus on data has enhanced considerably during this crisis as the work from home situation reminds us on the need to create a single source of truth for faster and better decision making. We're also helping the business on the need to use data science and analytics. This will become a core capability of every business unit.
And the final question, Jojo, security is now key to a digital transformation. What are your key considerations here?
That's a great question, Emma. I mean, we take security very seriously and has always been a high priority for us, from our employees to our senior management. As we become more digital, get more connected, and generate lots of data, it is very important for us to take a proactive and resilient approach to protect the digital environment of the Aboitiz Group. This is fundamental requirement for us as part of our digital transformation initiative. As we always say to everyone, we want to keep our digital journey a secure experience. But IT security is not just about technology. It is also all about people, process, and technology. While we provide various technologies to secure our network perimeters, to safeguarding our data across systems, devices, and the cloud, we want to make sure that we monitor everything, verify everything, and encrypt everything. We also instituted standard processes and governance to manage our risk. But our biggest effort remains with people. Human error remains the leading cause of security breaches. Security awareness is just as important, where we provide continuous education on IT security. For us, IT security is everyone's responsibility.